Hi everyone, it's Miss Akvari in the library, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about this book, If You Could See the Sun by Anne Liang. This is a book that's in our fantasy section because there are some magical and mystical things and unexplained things that happen that can't really happen in real life. But there's a lot of this book that really deals with very realistic things that we can probably relate to. So in this book, the main character's name is Alice. Alice lives in Beijing. She and her family have spent some time in the United States, and now they're back in Beijing. And Alice has the opportunity to go to this very exclusive, fancy, high-intensity boarding school or prep school for her high school experience. She's on scholarship, which sets her apart from most of her classmates who are very, very wealthy and privileged. And what Alice learns right before she heads into her school term is that her parents do not have any money to cover anything else for her. So if anything happens to her scholarship or even the extra school fees or any of that sort of thing, Alice is going to have to find another place to go to school. And she only has one semester left at this school, so clearly she doesn't want to do that. The other thing that Alice kind of is working with is she has kind of figured out the best way for her to succeed and compete with all of these wealthy, privileged classmates is to be the best academically that she can. So she's involved in a lot of different activities. She works always to be the best in her class. She spends all kinds of time. In fact, her nickname with her classmates is the study machine. And there's one person that always gets in the way of that. And his name is Henry. And Henry seems to succeed really easily. He also is the son of a software owner, like software company owner, and they have tons of money. And so Alice really hates Henry. He's always in her way. The other interesting thing that happens here, and kind of what brings all of this into conflict, is Alice, for whatever reason, starts turning invisible. And she doesn't know why. She doesn't know what's causing it. And so she and Henry decide that maybe Alice, when she's in her invisible state, she could earn some extra money, enough money to stay in school if she accomplishes tasks for her classmates while no one can see her. So there's kind of the twist that gets going right from the beginning, brings a lot of questions into play. I really enjoyed this book. It was unique and unlike anything I'd ever read. So if you like your books with some drama, some suspense, and a little bit of magic and mysticism, you'll really like reading If I Could See the Sun.